Hello, good morning. My name is Jasmine McDonald. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I post ballet and fitness related videos every single Tuesday, Thursday, and now Sunday. And if you're also new here, you may as well hit that subscribe button because you're already here anyways. Today, I'm gonna go back to the dance studio. So if you saw my video from last week, you are well aware that I took ballet class for the first time since 2 years ago, pre-pandemic even, and it was a lot. I was really sore. I had to take a whole week to recover. I had classes every single day after that, but I didn't do like a full ballet class. I did like a point class here and there, and then I taught. So today's the day I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna try to make it a habit at least once or twice a week when I'm really busy even. So I'm gonna go get ready. I already had my coffee this morning. I'm going to go and have some breakfast, so I'll take you guys with me and then I'll get ready. I haven't even made the bed yet, to be honest. Like, we woke up and Steve had to go, so I had to move the car out of the way. So it's been a morning, but I'm gonna go do a ballet class, and then I have classes at 12 till 1, at 4 till 5, 5:30 till 8, I think. But anyways, last night I finished really late from work. I finished at 9:30 and got home around 10:15. So I was really tired this morning, to be honest, but I think I'm just gonna power through it, go do a class, and yeah, go enjoy some ballet. I thought about doing a video this morning, more of a gift guide for you guys to buy for ballet dancers, but I think I'll make that one for next time. At first I was like, I should do a gift guide because I haven't done it yet, and I think you guys would prefer that better, but honestly I wanted to go to class like more regularly, and I wanted to stay true to what I actually do and make it as authentic as I can possibly be on my channel. So I will have a gift guide out for you guys soon. Let me know in the comments down below what your gift ideas are for Christmas, and let me know in the comments down below if you have a dancer friend or you're a dancer wanting to receive dance gifts. I have a lot in mind, so I'm super excited to make that video. But anyways, let's get ready. Let's go have breakfast. Let's do our hair and makeup, and then let's go. But first I gotta make this bed. So 2 days ago, Sunday night, I made these delicious cookies. I made like these oatmeal, healthy-ish vegan cookies. And then I also made these sugar cookies, which turned out really good, to be honest. Oh my God. Whoa, that was a lot of baking powder. Okay, so we have even more snow than we had before. Look at that! And it looks nice with our Christmas tree. I don't have it lit up right now. Oops. Now, last time I went to the studio, I did not do a bun, and I did regret that because I did end up doing pirouettes a lot. All right, so I'm wearing this blue leotard that I wore in one of my leotard hauls, which I'll put in the link up here as well if you haven't watched it already. I love this leotard. It's Slinger Dance, and I love the color. I was gonna wear this the last time, but because it was really cold that day, I wore the velvet one, but I figured it's still cold, quite obviously, because it's snowing so much outside, but I love this color, so I'm gonna go with this one. But while I'm driving, I'm actually not gonna be wearing this. I'm gonna wear, obviously, my jacket on top, but I'm gonna wear this new shirt I got from La Vie en Rose. And it says, be your own breast friend. I got it $10 of the shirt, which it was $12. So $10 of it went to the Breast Cancer Society of Canada, which I'll put the link in the description down below to go donate as well. Let's get going. A little quick change, because it's actually chillier in the studio than I anticipated, but I brought a spare sweater. That's wet. Oh! And that's wet too. I'm lucky. I remember these. Enough, right? Class. I'm not going to use my point shoes today. My feet are dead, so I'm going to save that for tomorrow to do at home because I may as well just do it at home. I do have a class at 12. Yeah, I did a little bit of improv that I put on my TikTok, so I'll put my TikTok name, JASSSONE, right here. So go ahead and go follow me because I post there like 5 times a day pretty much. But anyways, let's get ready for stretching class. For lunch when I got home, I was starving and had a really delicious vegan burger with some vegan cheese on everything seasoning bagel, and the burger was from Eve's, I believe. It was really good. I put some hummus on top, and I also had some of these chips on the side. It was also snowing so much this afternoon, it actually looked like a Christmas card. As you can see, I'm in my dance room. I'm actually teaching online tonight until 8, so I'm just gonna film my outro right now. I know the lighting's not super great because it's already dark anyways, but I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Until next time, take care, see you later, have a great day, stay safe, and bye now. So after I finished teaching, I just had a quick dinner, which was chickpeas, quinoa, this dressing my mom gave me with some dried cranberries, some arugula, some roasted asparagus, and some ciabatta bread with some margarine on it. I also had paired it with some chips and some pink wine. Anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today. Have a great rest of your day, stay safe, and bye now.